Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I'm pretty sure many of you recognize this 2002 Toyota 4RUNNER 4-wheel drive Sport Edition, which I filmed for you approximately a week ago. It has 193,000 miles on the clock. And it came back today for more services. Here is our light, so let's go look here in the back. I did on this vehicle both rear axle seals, and they were leaking for so long that of course the rear brakes were completely contaminated, had to be replaced, soaked by that gear oil. But the contamination of everything around was so bad that I still have nightmares about this job. I spent so much time degreasing, getting rid of that mixture of the gear oil, sand, the dirt. Absolutely crazy how many shop towels are used on that. It was a nightmare, trust me. And not only that, when we were cleaning those parts, the gear oil looked like a mud or a rust. So the color was completely brown. Everything, all the remainings of oil were brown. It was thick like mud, color of mud, and basically it was rust in it and so on. So I said to the owner, hey, to just put a new oil in it, which is, I'm using that here from this can. It's a full synthetic 75W90. That's what I put in it. I said, you know what? That was so nasty inside. We have to flush it. The only filling it will not help. We have to flush it. So she came back after 1 week. Less than 100 miles. She was just driving it locally, and I'm inviting you, after this long story, which you remember from that video, I'm inviting you to see how bad will be that oil. Some of you were talking about, oh, he did the whole job and he didn't show the breather. The breather needs to be free. Well, here is the breather and it's free, so don't worry about it this time. Was all taken care of. So let's go open it and see how the oil looks like. I show you what was coming out that time, that mud. You can see it in the previous video. Let's go and see what we have after 1 week and less than 100 miles. You guys always tell me, don't you open the drain first. You have to first make sure that the filler can be opened, so I will follow your incredible advice. Of course, it's a common sense and safety measure, because if we will not able to open the filler, then obviously we are screwed, and it will be a lot of extra work to get in and put that new fluid in. So look, that wasn't over tight, which is great for us, and let's see what will come out of it. I want you to be able to see the color of it, but it should. To slow it down, I will put this one up there, so I have a time to grab the camcorder and come closer to it for you. It will be pooping. Oh yeah, do you see it? Yeah, as I said, let me try to grab that camcorder. It's not so easy when you have all that gear oil on you, but my other hand is clean. I should be able to grab it. These are the problems with filming, as you can see and imagine. So you see, it's still slightly brownish, yellowish. That fluid, when it was brand new, was perfectly clear. when you put it in the container, when it's not a thin film, that full synthetic 75W90 has slightly, very slightly yellowish, greenish color, but definitely not this slight brown color which we see coming out. Cool, now I can open the top and we will let it rain for her so we get as much as possible out. But this is it. This is the cleaning, right? We don't have any shavings yet on the magnet, which is the drain. There are no shavings because it was really just 1 week and less than 100 miles. Basically, I just wanted to share this with you. I didn't know what will come out, and I'm pleased. It's not so bad. On the other hand, I'm pleased we are taking care of it correctly. And now we will fill it again with the new oil, and this truck will be happy camper. A week ago when I did that job on that rear axle, I had the dilemma, shall I put a new oil, drive only around the building and then do the flush, get rid of it immediately? Then I thought, she will come back in 1 week. She's driving only flats here in the city, so it should be okay, and it will actually, when it's for more days, it will flush everything hopefully better. So that was my thinking about it, and I think it ended up good. The oil, we still can see it's contaminated, however it's not too bad, it's light, and we will finally put the new one there. How long they last? Well, normally when you don't go off-roading, when you don't tow, when you use the normal condition and not so-called severe condition, I will say it's rated for approximately 60,000 miles. Some people will do 30,000 miles only, and that's continuous discussion, of course. You can share your experience, comments, opinions in the comments below the video. That's why we do these videos, to keep this community exchanging their experience. So thank you for watching. I wanted to really quickly share this, and please subscribe. I will keep filming a lot of videos for you from this shop. See you later, my friend.